Welcome back. Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is actuators. So, what are actuators? They are devices that cause something to happen in the physical world. So, if we have sensor that is a device that receive information from the environment or the physical outside world, then we also have actuators that from our microcontroller we can control the outside world by using this device, that is actuators. So simply, they are the output of the IoT device. So it can be visual. We can have actuators like LED, LCD, and monitors. And we can control also the audio by buzzer, speaker, and for the motion, we can control the motor speed, anything like valve, pump, and for the temperature, we can control the heating and cooling of an environment. So these actuators can be controlled by on-off actuators. So that this is a simple strategy to control actuators. So the only thing that is needed for this type of actuation is power. So even complicated actuators, it can be controlled by a power. So as I have said, we can control the LED by turning it on or off. Also the buzzer, we can on or off, and monitor, etc. Though we can also by complicate if we can complicate it by, for example, the LED, we can control it by controlling it to be brighter or dimmer, and for the buzzer we can control the volume if it is laudable or not, and for the monitor if we can have it displaying text or anything. So that is a complicated actuation. So kung simple lang, i-on off lang nato ang kato nga mga devices. So in this type of actuation, it does not use the full potential of the actuators. So on-off control may be used if it is just necessary. For example, sa lights in a classroom or air conditioning. So for example, wala na tao sa classroom, we can turn it on, we can turn it off. Also the air conditioning. So ingana siya. So also in actuators, we need to consider the current limits. So kung naay mga kanaganing masubraan or makulangan, dili mo work out og tarong ang atong mga devices. For example, sa LED, we must make sure that the current flowing in the LED is naara dira around sa 20 milliamps. So kung mulapas gani, naay tendency nga mabuto ang LED. So mara mo siya ma-overcharge. That is for the output side or the actuator side. And also for the input side, for our IoT device, sa Arduino po niya side, we must consider na ang Arduino can only supply 40 milliamps, more niyang maximum. So for example, naatay mga devices that requires more than this, like more than 40 milliamps. For example, we have this motor nga kinahanglan og 15 amperes. We might use alternate power. When we say alternate power, pwede katong battery or ang AC, just that dili jud siya direct nga connected dito. We can use switch or relay nga katong from Arduino then connected to relay then katong battery para makontrol gihapon niya ang connection between the battery and alternate supply. So dili nimo siya directly nga ang Arduino then katudayang device kung exceed siya of 40 milliamps, no? So kinahanglan nimo siya og na interface in between. So we must consider this current limits. So I think that's it for today, for this hour. So we will have more example in the next few presentation. So see you then. Thank you.